In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage different Shopify app scenarios, whether you're looking to add an extension to your store, explore using Shopify's POS app on your PC, or simply access your Shopify admin from your laptop. Let's explore each option to make sure you have the information you need to work efficiently and effectively with Shopify. First, let's delve into installing a Shopify app, which is an extension or plugin for your store, enhancing its functionality. Now, keep in mind, these aren't installed directly on your laptop like traditional software. Instead, you're adding them to your Shopify store online. To do this, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin via your web browser. Once inside, navigate to the Shopify App Store. You can do this by heading over to Admin, then to Apps, and choosing Visit Shopify App Store. Once there, you'll be able to use the search function to find the specific app you're interested in adding. When you locate it, simply click to install or add the app. During this process, you'll need to authorize it by granting necessary permissions directly within your Shopify admin. Once that's all done, your new app can be accessed anytime from your Apps section within Shopify admin. This is the official procedure according to the Shopify Help Center, so you can feel confident about following these steps accurately. Next, a common question arises about whether you can use a desktop or laptop version of Shopify's POS app. Unfortunately, Shopify doesn't officially support installing the Shopify POS app on Windows or Mac desktops. It's primarily designed for mobile devices using iOS and Android. This limitation can be a bit frustrating if you were hoping for a native desktop experience. That said, some users find alternate routes, such as employing desktop wrappers or applications like Web Catalog, to simulate a desktop experience. However, remember, these methods are not officially endorsed by Shopify and may not offer full functionality, so proceed with caution if you choose this path. Lastly, for those simply wanting to access Shopify's admin dashboard from a laptop, you're in luck as there's no extra application needed. Just open your preferred web browser, go to the Shopify website, and log in with your credentials. This will give you direct, straightforward access to all the features of your admin dashboard from the comfort of your laptop. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to handling different scenarios related to using Shopify apps and admin. Following these steps should help streamline your process, whether you're expanding your store's capabilities or simply managing your shop from your computer. Remember to stay within the confines of officially supported methods for the most reliable experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.